my name is Amanda and I'm a chemist at the University of Florida. Here we will make some special molecules called polymers with a powerful chemical reaction. So first, let's talk about polymers. Chances are you are surrounded by polymers right now. That's because these are the molecules that make up plastics, clothing, paints, and other items that you may not expect. Polymers are the biggest molecules that exist. However, even though these molecules are gigantic, they are invisible to the naked eye, and even too small to see with a microscope. When you see a piece of plastic like this cup, it is made up of more than 1 trillion different polymers. So we would consider that this plastic is a material that is made out of polymers. Let's use an example to understand what polymers look like and what their properties are. Here, I have bead necklaces, which are just like polymers. Polymers are long chain-like molecules made up of small repeating pieces called monomers. Do you see how these polymers tangle and move slowly when I pull them out of the cup? Now, let's look at monomers. This cup of beads represents monomers, which are little pieces that connect to make up polymers. Do you see how these can move more quickly than polymers when I shake the cup, and they do not tangle or get stuck on each other when I pull one out? Let's look at some real monomers. These liquids have 2 different types of monomers. One has a bigger monomer and something called a catalyst, which helps a chemical reaction to occur. The other liquid has a different type of monomer that is much smaller. You can see that these liquids are different just by looking at them. We are going to mix these 2 monomer liquids together and cause a reaction to occur. This reaction turns monomers into polymers and is called a polymerization. Okay, if you are ready, fellow scientists, I will need your help when I mix the colorful monomers together. Can you please watch closely and tell me exactly when you see the monomers being turned into polymers through our polymerization reaction? Now we will mix the 2 liquids. As you might have guessed, the foam that we are making is actually full of polymers, just like the material in your clothing. You can see that this polymer foam looks and behaves very differently from the monomer liquids that we started with. The reason we get this foam forming is because gas is a side product of the polymer forming polymerization reaction. The gas causes bubbles to start to form in the polymer, so we get an interesting foamy material like this. We made this foam in a spooky glass skull about a half hour ago. It became very hard and brittle, as you can hear. The polymers in the foam are long chains, and over time they link together, and it does not allow the chains to move or flow. Our fresh foam, on the other hand, has not hardened yet and is still a little bit pliable and sticky. Listen to this one for comparison. The polymers in these foams are called polyurethanes and can come in many different forms. For example, polyurethane foams can be used in construction to fill gaps like holes in walls. Polyurethane foam materials are also used to make furniture cushions and sponges, just like this one. Polymers, just like these polyurethane foams, are everywhere, and there are many different types, as I mentioned before. Take a look around you and try to name 3 different polymer objects. You will probably be surprised at how easy this is. So, thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other Molecular Mania videos.